everyone, Ashley here. Welcome back to Dress to Jet. In today's video, I'm going to cover what I'm going to be carrying in my personal item. As I said in other videos, I don't really take, if I'm taking a long trip, I don't take a carry-on on the plane. I bring a collapsed carry-on in my check bag. That way, on the way back, I have plenty of room for anything I want to bring home. So this is basically my personal item slash carry-on all in one. So first I'll show you my bag and some of the features of it before we get into actually what's inside. And I have a confession about this bag, so stick around to the end to find out what that is. Okay, so the bag that I'm using is a pretty new purchase. This is actually gonna be my first long haul trip with it. I did take it to Ohio for a few days, but this is gonna be my first big trip with it. It's, what's the brand? Soho Collections. I got it on Amazon and I'll link it below. It comes in black and a few other colors, and it's pretty reasonably priced. I think it was like $20 something, so it's pretty good. So a couple reasons why I like this bag. I like the top handles like this, so you can kind of carry it like as a purse if you need to. I like the different, like the mouth open of the top here. So it opens up nice and wide so you can see everything. So it's a big, wide mouth. It doesn't open like a regular book bag. It has a lot of padding on the back. It has like a little hidden compartment here in the back. So if you're actually going to be out in the city with it, you can hide some valuables there. It has a pocket on each side, a small pocket here in the front, a big pocket, and then we're going to get into all the different pockets on the inside because it actually has quite a few pockets on the inside too. So let's start with the most obvious item on the outside here, this water bottle that I have tucked into the side compartment. Obviously you can't bring water through security, so just bring an empty water bottle, fill it up when you get onto the other side, and then you won't be charged all that crazy money for the bottled water they sell on the other side of security. So, and then in this pocket, I don't have anything in it right now, but this is where I keep my like driver's license, passport, things I need to get to quickly. And obviously if I was out in the city, not just traveling, I wouldn't put it in here because this is really easy to get into, obviously, but just like, you know, going through security, it's something I can quickly and easily get to everything. Obviously, if you're going to be out in the city, this is wouldn't be a secure area to keep it, but for the purposes of this video, this is where I'm keeping it. And then it has this nice big pocket in the front. What I have in here are, I'm just going to take everything out, phone and watch chargers. I have an Apple Watch, and these will be much better organized when I actually pack the bag. My Warby Parker glasses. When I'm on a flight that's, let's see, especially a red-eye, we're flying a red-eye this time, it will be about 11 hours. I don't wear my contacts on the plane because I probably want to sleep, and so it's just way more comfortable on my eyes to wear my glasses. So I have my glasses case, my computer charger, a sleep mask. Like I said, I really want to try to get some sleep on this flight. And then just a little travel wallet that I got off Amazon, which I can link below as well. I actually have quite a big wallet for my day-to-day, so I need something a little bit smaller to hold my cash and cards and stuff like that while I'm out. Just some makeup remover towelettes, just to have. I usually, on an overnight flight that's 11 hours, I don't wear makeup. I really don't care about what I look like when I get on the plane when I'm going to be on it for 11 hours, but still you get feeling kind of gross after like hour 8, so these are good to have to like wipe your face off. And then, so just to get you a peek inside of the front, it has these 2 pockets here and another pocket in the front, so you have a lot of options to stick things. Of course, a pen. Always can't travel without these. And then in another pocket, I have just chapstick, Advil, Pepto-Bismol, and just a brush, a nice little travel brush. I have no idea where I got this. I've had it for years, but it's really handy. So that's all that I have in the front pocket. So already you can fit a ton without even opening the top. So let's go into the main compartment. So as you can see, it has a really wide mouth, and so you can get to everything at one time. It has a big zipper pocket here, but I actually don't have anything in. So there's still a lot of room to put stuff in here. I have my neck pillow brace thing. Kind of goes like that and you wrap it around. It's pretty cool. Works pretty well when you want to get some sleep. headphones. This has got my Leica, which I vlog with when I'm out and about. So it's got my charger, my camera in there, SD card, all of the stuff I need for my Leica in here. Makeup, any kind of toiletries that I'll need on the plane. Contact case, contacts if I, just in case I need those, that will all be in here. My prescription sunglasses, also Warby Parker, which I can link below. Always good to have, especially when I'm wearing glasses on the plane. Get off the plane and go out into the sun. It'll be good to have sunglasses that I can actually see. External hard drive, because I'm going to be vlogging a lot, so I want to make sure I can take all of that footage off my camera, so I have plenty of room. The biggest item is my laptop, which I will be bringing so I can edit, check work emails, whatever. This is good to have with me. And then this little zip up thing, it's pretty thin. There's nothing in it right now, but there will be. This is a little thing I got, and I've used it on all my Europe vacations. I got it from Daiso, and it's just, still a lot of places that you buy tickets for in advance don't have like mobile options, so you still have to print out your ticket. So I like to have everything in this one spot. So if I go out for the day, I don't need to bring this whole thing, but for traveling, like from one location to another, I can just grab everything, put everything in here. I know it's all here, and then when the day comes, I just take out whatever tickets I need, so I know they're all in one place. And that I put it right by my laptop because it's about the same size as my laptop case. Okay, and just to show you, that's all I have in here. But just to show you kind of more in the bag, it has lots of different pockets. Lots of different size pockets. It has 2 more drink pockets on the inside. Like, it's got so many different compartments in here. And I haven't put snacks in here yet. Of course, like on a flight that's 11 hours, you're probably gonna get food, but it's always important to have some snacks so you're not suffering. And also, as a vegan traveling, you always make sure to request your vegan meal, but sometimes things can happen, and possibly, if you forget to request your meal, or they mess up, or they don't have enough, or whatever, you always gotta have something to eat. So I always remember to pack snacks, so it's got a lot of compartments to pack snacks in it. Yeah, so that's basically all I'm gonna have in my bag. It's gonna be pretty full because, like I said, I'm not bringing a carry-on. This is all I'm gonna be bringing on the plane with me, and I'll probably definitely be using a carry-on on the way back. So the confession about this bag, which is someone I work with had this bag, and I was like, oh, that's such a cool bag, and they were like, it's a diaper bag. And I was like, what? I guess it makes sense. And you look at it, I mean, it's very very easy to wipe down. It has insulated pockets to keep whatever you need for your kids, certain temperatures. And it actually came with a little diaper changing pad, which, you could use. People in the reviews said they used it to go if they are going on a picnic, or if they're, they wanted to sit outside while traveling, they could lay it out. So that's useful if you wanted to do that. But yeah, it's a diaper bag. I never would have thought that a diaper bag would be so useful for travel. So yeah, I was pretty surprised about that, but I was like, oh, now I'm never again buy a travel bag that's not a diaper bag, because it makes so much sense, because there's so many compartments and it's so crucial for organization when you have a diaper bag, and that's the kind of travel bag I like highly organized. So I was really excited about this bag, and I'll link it below. Okay, so that's all I'm bringing on the plane with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I bring and what I bring it in. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.